Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing OBS Studio and opening it immediately. Once done, create a new scene and add a display capture source to capture the laptop screen. Make sure to add an audio input capture for your microphone and an audio output capture if you need system sound. Set the canvas resolution to match your screen, for example 1920 by 1080, and choose a stable frame rate like 30 or 60 FPS, so the recording looks smooth and predictable. Now configure the audio and output settings so you capture clear sound. In Settings Audio, pick the exact mic and desktop devices and match their sample rate to 44, 100 or 48, 000 Hz. In Output Recording, select a reliable encoder, pick a bitrate between 6, 000 and 20, 000 kbps depending on quality need, and choose MKV or MP4 for compatibility. Add mic filters like noise suppression, gain, and a compressor. Then adjust the audio. Start recording and do a short test clip while speaking and playing system audio. Once done, stop and immediately review the file to confirm video and audio quality. If you see audio drift or offset, open Advanced Audio Properties and apply a positive or negative sync offset to align tracks, then retest until tight. If there's no audio at all, make sure OBS has permission to use devices, the correct input/output are selected, and the sample rates match. Restarting OBS often clears permission or device lock issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.